At Special Vehicle Operations, our state-of-the-art paint facility opens the doors on a world of unlimited colour and choice. With a diverse range of specialist technical finishes, along with an almost infinite capability to match any colour, the SVO Technical Centre offers the ultimate in personalisation. Our unique multi-stage process starts when the primed body shell is thoroughly cleaned to ensure perfect paint application. State-of-the-art mixing technology allows a customer to request any hue, limited only by their imagination. The interior of every vehicle is sprayed by a master painter's hand to guarantee optimum coverage. Then, two cutting-edge robots perfectly apply the finish across the whole vehicle body with absolute precision, measured down to the last micron. Next, the body is dried in an oven and then cooled to the correct temperature to ensure the perfect adhesion of the vehicle's protective top coat. After the clear coat has been applied, the body is cured in the main oven. Finally, the body enters our audit facility, where stringent checks are performed to ensure an outstanding paint finish, uniformity, and luster. It's only when a world-class appearance has been achieved that the body shell is allowed to leave.
New types of engineering like this build upon Land Rover's history of technology and innovation. And nowhere is that more striking than in electronics. With nearly 10 kilometers of electrical cabling, the Velar is one of the most advanced SUVs ever created. Electrical engineer James Foss is responsible for ensuring that all its components work seamlessly.
We have every single component that we connect to, from the temperature sensors to control the heating and climate system. We have the brand new laser headlights. We have the brand new touch steering wheel switches, all the way through to the rear reversing camera, which sits up here, and even your deployable door handles.
At the heart of the system is a state-of-the-art touchscreen. But even here, the principles of reductionist design and engineering apply.
This is the Touch Pro Duo system, first of its kind, being implemented into the Range Rover Velar, and it basically replaces all of your functions controlled by regular buttons with a new touchscreen display.
By stripping away unnecessary detail, the Velar's electronics team has created an elegant and intuitive user experience.
You have no need anymore to flick through menus. You just have everything encompassing you in technology. You have everything at your fingertips.
The result? Functionality and simplicity. But even here in the cabin, new materials technology has taken refinement to new heights.
We wanted to ensure that we took traditional luxury materials and gave them a bit of a twist, taking things that we know and love, but making them modern and relevant for this new Range Rover.
Bespoke craftsmanship like this has helped Range Rover become the UK's #1 luxury export.
We're really proud of our collaboration with Kvadrat. Kvadrat is a Danish company, and it's Europe's leading manufacturer of premium textiles. On the premium textile seat, in addition to using the Kvadrat wool blend, we also combine this material with a microfiber suede material. This is made from recycled plastic bottles. And I think it really shows how the landscape is shifting in terms of what the definition of luxury is now and in the future.
This attention to detail ensures that the Velar is refined for every occasion. But as a Range Rover, it still has certain expectations to meet. This car has been engineered with Land Rover's legendary capability on all terrains.
It's a Range Rover, of course. It has to deliver on the promise of the Range Rover brand. And the customers need to feel confident and know that the car is capable. So we start off with a clean sheet on this car. Everything from how far we need the suspension to move, how much loads that we want to put through all of the parts of the body structure to get every ounce of traction channeled through to the road. It's a great car to drive, it really is. I think the essence for me, it drives like it looks, which is a real prize. It's a wonderfully cosseting, refined experience.
This combination of refinement and capability sums up the Velar.
There are hundreds and hundreds of people behind this. And it's sometimes difficult to spot who's the engineer, who's the designer, and I think that's real success.
It's the 4th Range Rover. It's really going to set the tone for where we'll be going in the future.
Well, I truly believe that the Velar will really shift perceptions of what the Land Rover brand is about.